Jeff here, and today we're going to start a series on weight loss. And I'm going to start you with just the basics. Now, the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is the 80-20 rule of weight loss. Now, you may have never heard about this because guess what? It's Jeff's rule. I just made it up. But it's 80% of your focus should be on your diet, all right? And 20% should be on your fitness or exercise program. Now, I'm an exercise guy, and you think, well, wouldn't you push more exercise? Love to, but that's not going to get you to your goal of weight loss, all right? For instance, all right, how many calories are there in 1 pound of fat? You guys have any idea? 3,500 calories. How many miles would you have to run in a day to burn 1 pound of fat? About 35. Understand, 35 miles running in a day, most people don't have that kind of time. So with that said, we have to focus on diet. Now, the first thing we're going to focus on diet is basically you've got to be aware of how many carbs you're taking in. If you have too many carbs, it's pushing your insulin levels way up, and too much insulin will prevent you from losing weight. So with that said, you got to eliminate things like bread, pasta, soda, anything that's high carb loaded, high in sugar, you got to get rid of. Now, that doesn't mean everything you like to eat goes away. You just got to basically be able to look at things you're going to eat and decide whether it's something you can eat or not. Right? I eat low carb almost every day, and I eat lots of great food that I love. Right? So like I said, you don't have to go hungry. In fact, a lot of times you go low carb and you eat the right way, you'll be more satisfied. Now, the next thing you got to do is you have to count your carbs, right? Whether you like to keep a food diary or not, bottom line is you've got to keep a count of how many carbs you're taking in. And for a goal, you need to keep your carbs below 100 grams per day, right? That's for starters. You do that, most people are going to see success with it. And once again, a lot of people say, well, Jeff, I've been doing this for a week or 2 weeks and I'm not seeing any results. You may have to go longer than that because guess what? Depending on how high your insulin already is, determines how long it's going to take to push it down. So once again, if you're really overweight, right, and you've been hyperinsulinic a long time, it may take a while before you see results with it. Stick with it. Less than 100 grams a day. Get rid of the carbs, get rid of the bread, get rid of the pasta. You do that, you're going to see success.